role of the Australian Border Force at the Brisbane Airport is obviously to secure our borders, and the largest number of groups that we do deal with are student groups. We encourage international students to use the Smart Gate. This will facilitate their movement in a quicker and a more efficient fashion. Don't bring anything with you if you're not willing to declare it. So the top tip I have for students entering into Australia is to read and understand the incoming passenger card. On the incoming passenger card, there are many questions asked. The four main questions that we deal with mostly with students are question 1, where it asks whether you are carrying medication, or question 2, which is dutiable goods. These are goods such as alcohol and tobacco. You are allowed to bring in 2,250 mils of alcohol and 25 sticks or 25 grams of tobacco. If you are above that concession, please tick yes on your incoming passenger card. Question 5 asks you whether you are carrying more than $10,000 in Australian currency. If you are unsure, or you are carrying more than $10,000 in Australian currency, again, please tick yes.
What shouldn't students bring into Brisbane? Our best advice is to jump online to the agriculture.gov.au website and check out the section called Bike On. On here you can learn about what items not to bring, such as egg, dairy, meat and poultry products, flowers, plants, nuts, seeds or soil, live animals, home-cooked meals, traditional remedies and medicines that contain herbs. As you come through the airport, you could be subject to an inspection, you could put your bags through an X-ray machine or even go past to detect a dog. Don't be scared of these dogs. They're just here to help us find fresh fruit, plant material, eggs, seeds and nuts, and to make sure that you haven't forgot to declare or tell us about it.